Hello everyone and welcome to my video. The colors I'm using in this video are the same as in the last video where I did the metallic swipe, because I'm doing another metallic swipe but I'm not making the same mistakes as in the last video. You'll find all the colors down in the description below. Don't forget you need some tissue paper as well. In this swipe I wanted the darker colors to pop up more, so I'm pouring on first the metallics and then the lighter colors and then the darker colors, so they are on top when I do the swipe.
And let's go!
Make sure there's not too much paint on there, because the swipe won't work if there's too much paint on the canvas. I'm using white metallic as swiping color because I like the effect it makes, because I want white lacing over all the colors. I'm tilting after the swipe because I don't want the white border, I just want the lacing, so I'm pouring off the white border that's on top and just moving it around a bit to get the cells bigger in the lacing, and trying to keep the shape of the cells as well. I'm really happy with the end result. I love the multicolored cells, they're always my favorite, and this time they really look like peacock feathers. I'm not that fan of the lacing, but it's perfect enough for me. I might try it again with maybe another metallic.
And let's go!
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped and maybe it gave you some ideas how you want to do your swipes. Maybe use more metallics in your painting, because it's amazing to work with them. Please leave a like or subscribe or do both. It would make me very happy. It's much appreciated. See you in the next video.